Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. Today is the round 2 for the Wahala palette by Juvia'S. In my last video I didn't use the greens and the blues in this palette, and today I decided to give it another go and use those shades. So that's what I did. I hope you like the look I came up with. If you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. Okay, and as you can see, my face is already done. I also primed my eyelids by applying a little bit of concealer on them, but I'm going to blend it out because it creased a little bit. I didn't set it with powder, so that way the shadows will look a little bit more vibrant. So here it is, the Wahala II palette. I want to do like a green and maybe purple combination. So I think I'm going to start with the shade Wicked. This is a Morphe 506 brush, and this will go in the inner portion of my crease. This is pigmented, but I kind of expected it, considering the first look that I did with this palette. First I'm just placing the color and then dusting off the excess from the brush and blend the edges into my crease. With another Morphe 506 brush I'm going to pick up the shade Jealous here, this bright teal shade, dusting off the excess a little bit so it doesn't fall on my face. And I'm going to apply this in the outer portion of my crease. This shade is so pretty. And I'm kind of going to wing it to extend my eye a bit. So again, with whatever is left on my brush, I'm going to create like a wing shape in my outer corner. I really love this shade, it's so beautiful. I know I kind of want to use this purplish shimmer, it's called Amiibo, I think. And I'm just going to use a flat eyeshadow brush. This one is from Morphe. I'm mostly curious to see how the shades apply with the brush. So I'm applying this in the inner portion. Ooh! This looks great. I didn't expect the shades to apply so well with the brush, but this looks really pretty. And on the other half of my lid I want to apply the shade Money, this one right here. This is a Juvia'S small definer brush. This one is a blue and green duochrome. Let's see how it looks. And again, it applies very well with the brush. I'm sure that it will be a little bit more blinding if you use your finger, but I was just curious to see if this works. Now I'm going to use the same brush that I used to apply the shade Jealous, and I'm going to pick it up again to blend my outer corner. So I'm going to blend the shimmers on the lid with the mattes in my outer corner. And I want to fade this line here to make it look a little bit more diffused. And now in the center of my lid I want to apply the shade Goals. And let's see how this goes. Okay, this is kind of cute. Now I need something to define my outer corner, and I think I'm going to use the shade ASAP, this dark brown. I hope this goes well. I'm going to apply this at the base of my lashes in my outer corner, because I want to define my outer corner a little bit. And after I place down the pigment, I'm going to slowly go up with the brush to fade this into the teal shade. And I'll extend this in my outer corner in a wing liner shape. So again, after placing the pigment, with whatever is left on my brush, I'm going to fade this liner by swiping my brush left and right. And I'm taking the Morphe 506 again to really blend this brown. On my lower lash line, I'm going to apply this dark teal in my outer corner. And I'm just dragging it towards my lower lash line. And also connecting it to the liner. And fading it towards the inner portion. With that Morphe 506, I'm going to take a little bit of Jealous again to blend my lower lash line. Now for a little bit of highlight, I'm going to take the shade Shakara, this white shimmer. And first I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this. And then I'm also going to highlight my inner corner and extend it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. Now, because the last time I showed you this collection, I only showed you the liquid lipstick. Today I'm going to apply the gloss so you can see how it looks. So this is the Petty Betty lip gloss by Juvia'S Place. It has this big applicator. Feels pretty lightweight on the lips. It's not like overly sticky either. I really like how it feels, it's very comfortable. And this is the finished look using the Wahala II Palette by Juvia'S Place. I really hope you like what I came up with today. I really love this palette at the moment, and I'm always excited to discover the shades in this. They are so beautiful and they perform really well on the eye. And that's everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below. It helps my channel a lot. And also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!